Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Peter Liu. You're watching The Real Wheel Deal, and today we're unboxing the Advan Racing RG-D2 truck fitment. So when you receive your box, first thing you're gonna see is there's a big label here. This is the RG-D2 Advan Racing for pickup trucks. So you know you got the right wheel. They have a nice logo here showing you exactly what the wheel looks like. Not the color that you got, but it's like a stock photo. And then you come over to this side and you can see the label here. It says RG-D2 for pickup truck. This is the identity label. So it tells you the size. This one here is a 17 by 8.5. PCD is 6 holes, 139.7. So you know this is for 4Runner or Tacoma. Inset, that's your offset. This is a -10 offset, so you know this one's gonna be deep. And this is our color. This one is a black chrome one, which is gonna really look nice on camera once I unboxing. And also we have, you know, the identifications. This is a straight from Japan wheel. Look, all your Japanese logos now. Okay, so we're gonna open this guy up. First thing you'll be presented with is just a straight cover that they have on top. This just stops the face from getting damaged during shipping. And you get a couple booklets. So first thing is this is a caution booklet. It tells you there's some instructions. Follow these directions may cause damage to wheel surface in terms of avoid a manufacturer warranty. So this is because this is a special coating, SMC, SBC, and SMB. This black chrome has a special chrome-like finish, so they want to let you know that this kind of wheel from Advan, you really have to watch the cleaners you're using to make sure you don't damage the surface of the wheel or the special color. Of course, it's JDM on the back. This is your aluminum wheel maintenance manual. So every Yokohama wheel comes with this if it's an official wheel and it's an authentic wheel. And it kind of has all the information for maintenance, driving, troubleshooting. Also teaches you about inset and also brake caliper clearance. Of course, in Japanese, also talks to you about what kind of lug nuts can mount it, conical style of lug nuts, things like that, and also bolt pattern. So make sure you keep that handy. Every box comes with one, so you probably get 4 copies out of a set. Next thing we got is, of course, our Yokohama Wheel original design wheel condom. You know, so you can keep this as nice insignia. So you take that off. There's also another layer of protection of foam for the special finish. And here it goes. Oh man, I'm horny. So also in here, you gotta take out your valve stem first. So it's actually right here in a bag that's separate. And inside here, you can see we got a really nice valve stem, our authentic Advan valve stem with some instructions. There's also an instruction set in here how to install a sticker. So you might not be able to see here, but behind here I have my RG-D2 sticker. That's for the spoke of the wheel. And now we're gonna take our wheel out and inspect it. So now you've taken your wheel out, what I like to do is I like to inspect the face first. I always touch the edge here, make sure there was no shipping damage. With those protectors and also the foam piece and the wheel condom, for the most part, there's gonna be no damage, even if the box goes through a little bit of action during shipping. I also make sure, because this one has side cutting, that I check all this side cutting here and make sure it's cut really clean. This one looks like it's really good, really smooth. And something special about this one, because it's the black chrome finish, that SBC finish I was talking about, I just want to kind of look overall, make sure there's not too many oils or anything running, any of the colors are a little bit off. Man, this is so nice. Right away when I'm touching it, I'm like laying fingerprints on it. But just double check the faces. And it looks like there's no damage here. When I hold it down here, it looks like the whole face has paint across it, no issues. Another thing I like to look for is inside of here. It has the Advan Racing Flow Forming Japan made. This is a heat transfer sticker they put on previously. So just touch that and make sure, you know, nothing's raised, it's not catching, that the clear is actually applied over top of it, because that'll make sure the longevity of the sticker is good for a long time. And then I turn my attention to the back of the wheel. So I check the back of the wheel, I double check that there's no D-shape action going on here, there's no damage, so it looks perfectly smooth. And back here, I double check that here. If you see any kind of imperfections on the back of the barrel here, that's fine. It's because actually in the manufacturing lineup, they roll them across rollers right on here. So sometimes there might be a little bit of imperfections there, but it's not affecting the integrity or the mountability of the wheel. And then I check the back here. So I touch all across here. You gotta be careful, it's pretty sharp. But I make sure that there's nothing raised here. There's nothing really aggressively raised where it'll prevent the mounting of the hub. And being an Advan wheel, it's perfect. And also inside of here, I make sure it's smooth in here, just in case you need a hub ring. And this wheel looks really good, really perfect and mint. All right, so that concludes my unboxing video of the Advan Racing RG-D2 for truck fitment. Hopefully guys, you purchase a set or think about purchasing a set. This video helps you unbox your wheels, know what to look for when you get a brand new set of Advan Racing wheels. Or if you're anticipating a set coming in, hopefully this helps you decide what's in there and the quality that goes into packing each one of these wheels. So hit subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about the unboxing, and stay tuned for more real wheel content where we bring the best of JDM aftermarket wheels to you. Okay, thanks.